This is what I'm starting off with. This is a very old bun that I've been wearing for some weeks now. Let me just show you guys the back. And it is very dirty and I got a lot of flakes. So I'm first going to pre-pull my hair. If you would love to see my full pre-pull routine, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. And then after, I will use my black soap shampoo to shampoo my hair. I also have a detailed video on how I shampoo my hair. I will also leave that video down in the description box for you. So the first two things you need to do is to make sure that you pre-pull your hair, shampoo your hair before applying this treatment to your hair. Since you guys wanted to see how well it works on the type 4 hair, I just wanted to show you guys where I'm starting from, and then I will go in with my pre-pull and shampoo, and then I will come back for us to apply the treatment to my hair and see how well it also works on type 4 hair. Our first ingredient is our raw carrots. I already washed it inside and it's clean. So I'm just going to cut it up in smaller pieces. Now, the way in which I handled the knife to cut my carrots, some of you guys started getting anxiety from that. So I'm going to go off camera and then cut my carrots in smaller pieces. And then I will come back for us to move to the next step. I'm done slicing my carrots in smaller pieces. So I'm just going to put it on the stove. I got 2 cups of distilled water here. So I'm just going to put this aside, let it boil until the carrots become very soft. While our carrots is on boiling, I'm gonna go out and pluck our next ingredient, which is our fresh aloe vera plant. I'm bringing you guys out so you can see some of my aloe vera plant. I also have a lot in my backyard, but this is my front yard and I'm just showing you guys all what I have around. Yes, I'm so obsessed with aloe vera. This plant have really helped my daughter and myself here. So my last video for my daughter here, I took my fresh aloe vera from this tree, so I'm going to leave that for now. So I'm gonna take a couple of my aloe vera plant from one of these aloe vera tree, and then that's what I will be using in my DIY today. This is how much aloe vera I plucked from my garden. I'm just going to cut them up in smaller pieces, and then I will leave them to soak in the water for like 30 minutes before I start to extract the gel from my fresh aloe vera plants. Now that we got our fresh aloe vera gel, let's put that aside. Our carrot is very soft, so it's ready for us to blend it. But just put it aside, let it cool down for a bit, and then after we will transfer it to our blender. I'm now going in with 1 ripe banana. Banana are very high in potassium, which is great for our hair and our scalp. And then after, I will just blend this for 1 minute just to make space in my blender. After 1 minute, I'm now going in with our fresh aloe vera gel, and then I will just blend this for 2 more minutes. You should have something like this, but I'm also going to use a stocking just to make sure that I get rid of all the small particles so that it is not difficult to rinse out. After, I'm going in with my Secret Growth Oil. This is my 21 growth oil ingredients. It takes me 3 weeks for the infusion of this oil and my other caffeine growth oil. I'm also going in with Jamaican Black castor oil. I will be adding in our carrot growth oil that will make us. These are also composed of ingredients that are great for hair growth. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of Gotu-kola powder. And after, just give it a good stir. I'm done with my pre-poo treatment and my shampoo treatment. I got our deep condition treatment here. I'm just going to start applying it on my hair, and I'm just gonna keep quiet so you guys can just watch and see how I'm applying it to my hair. It's bubbles. Ah. Bubble tights. Okay. Pop, 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 pop. Mommy, that is pink. Really? Yeah. Huh. What's happened? Nothing. I'm just applying my treatment on my hair. You said huh? Oh, some spill. A little bit spill. A little bit spill? Yes. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay. And just clean it up. Yes, that's what I would do after. I clean it up. Mommy, that is a mess. Really? What's this one? This one is yellow. About snowfish. No. Okay, I'm ready. What's that one? I'm done applying the treatment to my entire hair and scalp because you guys wanted to see how well it also works on type 4 hair. This is how my hair is looking, and my hair feels very, very soft, and my curls are also looking very amazing. If I just love the way this treatment got my curls looking right now. If I could find a product, a store-bought product when I'm doing my wash and go, and if my hair could turn out great like this, I will be so excited. Because up to now, I haven't found any store-bought gel because I haven't created my own gel yet for my wash and go. I haven't found any store-bought gel that can make my hair to do this. You guys just see how beautiful my curls look. I don't even want to wash it out. So I'm going to massage my scalp for like 5 minutes. And then after, I will just put my hair back in big twist, and then I will sit under my steamer for about 20 minutes, and then I will leave the treatment on for an hour. After, I will just go and rinse it out, and then I will come back for you guys to see how my hair is looking after I rinse the treatment out. And then I will just end the video there.